Myanmar, and like these kind of countries, and also from China, and most of our viewers are from these countries. So many of you have commented that you don't understand the English language, or you might not have that much fluency in English, in both sides, like understanding and speaking. But let me clear you in simple English. You just have to watch this video till the end. You don't have to even listen to the sound or listen to my voice to get or guided or get the software for free. You can just turn off the sound and watch the whole video, watch the process, and you get the software totally for free. And another thing, that the important thing is where we will get the link, because the link is a very hidden thing that we can't give you anywhere. And the link isn't in the description box, it's in the comment section where you comment like it's not working or it's working, it's fake, like this kind of comment where you do comments. Just go to the comment box and you will get the link. Just click on the link. But you have to must subscribe our channel. It's kind of request to you guys, because we are having a really trade-in from Adobe's to giving you this software totally for free. So make sure you subscribe, and it will be and give us much motivation to make this kind of content. And if you guys want any kind of software support, just ask to us. We will give you any kind of software support through our channel. We'll be giving you a lot of software totally for free. It's just for educational purpose. We are not pirating, or we are not teaching people like how to steal software. It's just educational purpose. So make sure you just use them for educational purpose. This video is like for the students, the teachers, and those who can't afford the software. So yeah, that's the thing. That's the important disclaimer. And we will be just going to the video, and we will be going to start the video. Before starting, you have to know that before you unlock the file, you have to get the password, and I will give you the password at the end of this video. So make sure you watch the video till then. It's just going to be a 5 or 6 minutes long video. It's not gonna be higher than this time. So just give me 5 minutes. I will give you the password. You get the password, you open the software and install it. You get something, I get something, and we both get benefited. So that's all. So let me discuss you something. Let me discuss the Adobe plans, so that we don't get any kind of trade-in from Adobe. Cause previous video that we have given you the Adobe Photoshop 2024, we have a copyright strike. Cause of that, the video has been revoked. So we are having a really bad time. So I have to discuss the Adobe plans so that we don't get any kind of threat or copyright strike from Adobe. So as you can see on the screen, if you look very carefully, the Adobe Creative Cloud all apps monthly plan is $59.99 per month. It might be nothing to the people who are from America, or like United States of America, London, or like Italy or Poland, or maybe these kind of countries, Ireland. It might not be nothing to them, but it is a lot to the third world countries. People like Bangladesh, Nepal, India, Bhutan, and Myanmar, and this world countries. So because of that, I'm just giving you guys this software for educational purpose. So if you just want to get a specific software, like we are giving the Adobe Premiere Pro, it's just only $23 or $22.99 per month, but it's still a little bit high to just using a software per month. And it's gonna be like like up to $250 per year. That's a lot. So you are just getting this for free, and we are saving you just $250. Because of that, to appreciate us, you just hit the like button and subscribe and drop a comment, anything good, nice, anything. Just it will give this video a push to the people who need this. Okay, if we just go to the After Effects, the software prices are the same for every single software. But the Lightroom is quite a little bit low. It's just $10 per month or $9.99. But still, the other softwares prices are the same. But Adobe Substance 3D Collection are $50 per month. If you just working on 3D projects or 3D graphic designs, you just have to pay $50 per month to get this software. But in our next video, we will be also giving you this software, so that if you just need any specific software, let us know in the comment section. We will be making the video and giving you the software for free. And yeah, if you just trying to get the appropriate standards or in copy Adobe, I specifically don't use this software because I don't have this kind of work to do. Adobe stock is $30 per month. It's still that high, but they have the plan variation, like it might be go up or might be go down, but the base variant is $90. So yeah, it was just for the individual plan. They have business plans. Adobe have business plans. Or if you are a student or a teacher, I already have told you this video is only for the student and teacher. So you just have to pay $20 per month to Creative Cloud All Apps. That's a green light for you guys who are student and not willing to pay $60 per month. So you can pay $20 to get the official software, all the software, without getting any virus threatened. Okay, or the school universities who are providing their students this service or Adobe service, so that they can do what they have to do on their projects, their videos, any kind of project. They can also get this. They have to pay for per name user license. Egypt Cloud All Apps is $35 per month. So we have just past 8 minutes. I have lost 8 minutes of yours. Those who have patiently watched this video this much, a very, very appreciable what you have done. Because of that, as a prize, we are giving you the password. The password is 1, 2, and 3. Just type before opening the software 1, 2, and 3, and the file will open. Install it. And very, very appreciate you guys for watching this video till the end, and I will be getting you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.